Thinking about making the leap to Monzo in 2026, but dreading the typical bank switching hassle? It's a valid concern. We all know how much of a headache moving direct debits, standing orders, and salary payments can be. The thought of potentially missing a rent or mortgage payment because a bank didn't update something correctly? That's enough to keep most people with their legacy bank, no matter how bad the app or service is. But here's the good news: the process has become incredibly streamlined, particularly with Monzo, and the best way to do it isn't the long, drawn-out manual method. It's all about the Current Account Switch Service, or CAS. And in 2026, it's virtually flawless. The main content, the CAS method. When I switched over about a year ago, I didn't mess around with manually updating my Netflix subscription, my gas bill, or my salary details. I used CAS, and it was a seamless 7-day transfer. What exactly is CAS? It's an agreement between all major UK banks, including Monzo and your existing bank, to handle the entire move for you. The whole process is guaranteed to take no more than 7 working days. How I did it, and the best way for you. Open your Monzo account. You must be eligible and pass their ID checks first, of course. Do this now. It takes about 10 minutes in the app. Locate the CAS option. Once your account is active, you'll find the option to switch your bank account to Monzo right in the app's main menu, usually under the Account tab or in the Settings. Initiate the switch. You'll be asked to provide the sort code and account number of the bank you are leaving, and you confirm that you want to use the full CAS service. Pick a date. The system will give you a specific date, exactly 7 working days away, when the switch will be completed. This is your guarantee. Let CAS do the heavy lifting. This is where the magic happens. Monzo handles all communication with your old bank. They transfer all your existing standing orders, all your direct debits, and any funds currently in your old account. Crucially, they even update your employer with your new salary details, though it's always worth a quick check-in with your HR/payroll department, just in case. The biggest benefit, and why this is the best way, for 13 months after the switch, any payment that accidentally goes to your old account number will be automatically rerouted to your new Monzo account. This eliminates the fear of missed payments. It's an ironclad safety net. The alternative, the phased switch, why CAS is better. Some people recommend a slow, phased switch, opening the Monzo account, only moving over a few direct debits, and keeping the main bank for salary. My experience? That's too much work. You end up having 2 accounts to monitor, and it can take months to complete. If you are serious about switching to Monzo for their features, like budgeting pots, excellent notifications, or travel ease, just rip off the Band-Aid. The CAS system is specifically designed to make a clean, full break the safest and easiest option. It truly is the best way to get to Monzo in 2026. Conclusion. The best way to switch to Monzo in 2026 is unequivocally the Current Account Switch Service. It's guaranteed, it's 7 days, and it comes with a 13-month safety net for misdirected payments. No manual form filling, no calling utility companies, and no hassle. Just initiate the CAS switch in the Monzo app and wait for the 7 days to pass. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.